In this video, I'll show you how you can hide Steam games from friends on Steam. So if you have a game and you don't want your friends to be able to see that you own it or you're playing it, what you can do is you can head over to library, scroll down and find the game that you want to hide. I'll just select anything for as an example, let's say this game. If I don't want my friends to know that I own it or that I play it or see my achievements or anything, you can right click on it, press to the manage, and under manage there will be one that says mark as private. Now if you click on it, it will say marking a game as private will hide it everywhere outside of your library. Your ownership, in-game status, playtime, and activity will not be visible to other people. So simply press mark as private, and now no one besides yourself will be able to see that you own the game or that you play the game or that you have ever played the game. So that's really easy and simple, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.